Second, my house is blue. This is a puppet tree.
Very good.
Yes. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Hello, my name is Darhan and I am from Blue House. Say hello to all of you. Hello. How are you?
Good morning everyone, my name is Jani Madam. This is a Earth Environment Model. Save trees, save earth, save the water. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to requested principal ma'am, my dear teachers and friends. Today I am going to talk about the environment, which message is my doll wanted to give everyone. As environment is very essential in our daily lives. We can't live without it. My doll is wanted to tell that thing only. Environment gives us many medicinal plants, healthy fruits and vegetables to keep our bodies strong and fit. My brother wanted to tell that save trees. Today, if you save the trees, tomorrow trees will save you. Thank you and have a very nice day ahead.
On saving our environment from cutting trees. Go green, breathe clean. Go green, breathe clean. Save our environment. Save our planet. Think before you trash it. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Shruti Joshi and I am from Subhash house and I have made a puppet tree, and we all know that tree has the main role in our environment. It gives us oxygen, fruits and vegetables. So don't cut trees and save trees because it doesn't take any charge. Thank you.